That's not good. This engine's full of water. Look at this, the fuel fill hose actually dry rotted through, man. That'd be terrible if somebody started filling this boat and went to take it out. It stops. Oh, there it goes. All right, got it rotating. Things are looking good. Oh, let's get some lube in there. And everything I was pulling out of the dipstick is just milky oil now, so that's got plenty of lubricating properties like I was saying before. Let's get some juice hooked up to it. Oh, I hear, set the bilge pump going. Ooh, big draw on that starter. Got this thing shot. Get all that water. Oh, yeah. We'll hook the positive up, and then, oh yeah, sounds good. Got that starter in. Let's hear this first crank. Needed to run a little sandpaper across those points. Oh. Woo, there she is. I'm now going to suck the rest of that milky oil out and fill her up with some Freshie. It's got a Rochester carb on it. Ooh, oh yeah, a ton of water. You can see all the water on the bottom of the bowl there. And it doesn't seem the idle circuit wants to come back to life on this carb, so we'll go check that out inside. Yeah, a little sludgy in there. Get that cleaned up and throw it back on. Main problem I found was the idle jets clogged solid, and then this fuel screen was pretty slouged up too. I got that recentered where it needs to be, like new. I'm gonna rub some Vaseline on this too, so she's got lube until water makes it in. And now I have to verify that there's water flow through these ports, no blockages, so it all makes sense now too. Remember that rattle noise we heard when we were starting the engine? That's the freeze plug was probably dangling around in the back, getting caught up on the flywheel. There it goes. That should be everything to pull the motor. There is the freeze plug that's missing. So I thought about chipping a hole in the housing and just putting one in there, but clearly you wouldn't be able to get it to it anyway. It's a brass plug, so you see the block did freeze and this got pushed out, and it's all chewed up from the teeth of the flywheel hitting it. I could probably reuse this really. Smear that around. Oh yeah, it's starter. Is that a little bouncy? Oh darn, we got another cooling system leak. I can't really see, but could be a crack in the block or just the exhaust manifold. We're gonna just let that roll. Looks great. Got a lot of trash out of there, and I think she's looking pretty good. Wow, that's strong stuff. And there we are. The only foam left is those two blocks and these two waterlogged blocks back here. Just want to kind of leave them in case that helps stiffen up the stern. You can see this boat is very floppy now. I mean, it's just flexing on those bunks. see if she's taking on any water, and then we'll get moving. She got quite a few good looks going down the road too. Must have been that beautiful tree. Not taking on any water, and we got our USGS approved fuel tank that's secured with a vented cap.